I'm Katie Lasapio, and I'm the marketing manager at Nick and Zoe. For International Women's Day 2021, we're partnering with Saha Global. Saha Global is a charitable organization that supports women in Ghana by helping them kickstart clean water businesses. This allows them to provide clean water for their families and their communities. Joining me today is the co-founder of Saha Global, Kate Sincata. Kate, why did you start Saha Global?
I started Saha Global when I was in graduate school at MIT, and I was doing research on the global water crisis, and my research brought me to the northern region of Ghana. And what was really interesting about this area of the world is that although people living in rural communities did not have access to safe drinking water, when you went to town, when you went to the markets, you could find all different types of water treatment products that were effective and available. And as an engineer, this really blew my mind. The part that I'm usually focused on, the technical solution, had already been created. And we really just needed people to connect those solutions with the people who needed them.
What are the exact issues people without clean water face?
So without clean water, people are dying from preventable disease. And the most vulnerable to this are children under the age of 5. Where Saha works in northern Ghana, it's really difficult to access groundwater. So drilling wells and installing pumps and boreholes, which is a solution that many people have heard of that works in many different areas of the world, isn't feasible where we are. So instead, what people do is collect water from surface water sources, which are basically big man-made ponds. These sources fill with water during the rainy season, which is a few months out of the year, and then sit there stagnant throughout the dry season, getting contaminated from both human and animal waste. And that is the only source of drinking water for people living in these communities before partnering with Saha Global.
With all the countries out there that clean water is an issue, why did you focus on Ghana?
As I mentioned earlier, we're really focused on water treatment and where these low-tech, affordable solutions can have the biggest impact. And so areas like Ghana, where it's difficult to access groundwater, but there is available contaminated surface water, is where these types of solutions can have a huge impact.
Out of all the members of communities that clean water is an issue, why did you focus on women?
Saha focuses on women because women know water. Most of the women that we've been working with have been collecting water and helping to manage the water in their households since they were young children, maybe starting at the age of 4, walking with their mothers to the water source to go collect water for their family. And so they're the water experts. They know what to do. And we've been so excited that by partnering with Saha, these women can turn what's typically viewed as a burden in their household into an opportunity where they can provide safe water for their entire community and also income to their families.
What tangibles do monetary contributions allow for, and how does this help with Saha Global's mission?
So donations have such a huge impact on Saha. Right now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Saha has been providing free water to all of our communities following a mandate by the Ghanaian government. And so donations specifically right now go to support that program. It covers the cost of water treatment, which allows our entrepreneurs to provide the clean water for free to their communities while also being able to be paid for their time. In non-COVID times, donations to Saha help us reach more communities. We're reaching right now just over 100,000 people in Ghana, but there's another 700,000 people just in northern Ghana alone that don't have access to clean water, and we want to reach them all by 2024. So we've got a lot of work to do, and donations help us open new water businesses in new communities, which then employ women in those communities and provide safe drinking water to the entire village.
To learn more about Saha Global's clean water initiatives and how they support women, visit sahaglobal.com. Thank you, Kate, for joining us today.
Thank you very much.